leftovers. Mm. Mm-hmm. Pinto beans and black beans with some tilapia. Who would have thought? I sure wouldn't have. Good. Mm. Mm. With the sweet potatoes. Mm. So good. Mm. This is good. You gotta try this combination. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm in love with black beans now. Mm-hmm. I am. Mm.